Okay, so now we want to talk about body planes. And this is going to be important because as you try and go into the deeper structures of the body, you can cut it in different ways to look at those structures. And so we have names for those planes to help orient you, so whenever you're looking at images, you can be able to tell which plane, which type of cut you're looking at. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at here, it can have a couple of different names. We can call it median, and notice this is with an N. This is not medial, which we talked about before with an L. This is median. So the plane that has the letter N, the median also has the N. So in here, and it's a plane, so it's in here. Okay. So the median plane is one that goes straight down the middle. And so that would cut the body into right and left halves. Now median or mid-sagittal is directly down the middle. Now you can have a cut that is parallel, but it may be a little bit off-center. That would be called just sagittal, or sometimes parasagittal, P-A-R-A, sagittal. So median, mid-sagittal, directly down the middle, sagittal or parasagittal, off to the side. Okay, the next plane we'll talk about is called the frontal plane. Some books may call it the coronal plane. Okay, and this one is going to go straight down like that. Okay. And so it will cut a body into frontal, front, and back halves. So frontal plane cuts the body into front or anterior and back posterior halves. The last plane that we have is called the transverse plane. And this one goes straight across like that. Okay, and so it is going to cut the body into top and bottom portions. So it separates superior, top, from inferior. So just to recap, median or mid-sagittal is going to cut things into right and left halves. Frontal plane is going to cut things into front and back halves. And transverse plane cuts things into superior and inferior.